Zinc is a chemical element that is necessary to life and is one of the most extensively used metals. It is a low-melting metal from Group 12 of the periodic chart. Zinc is a significant commercial commodity. Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Today we are going to talk about zinc. Before we get started with the video, don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started. Zinc is somewhat more prevalent than copper, accounting for 65 grams, 2.3 ounces, of every ton of Earth's crust. The main zinc mineral is sulfide sphalerite, zinc blende, which accounts for approximately all of the world's zinc ore, along with its oxidation products, smithsonite and hemimorphite. Native zinc has been discovered in Australia, New Zealand, and the United States, and the top zinc producers in the early 21st century are China, Australia, and Peru. See native elements for further information on zinc's mineralogical features. Zinc is an important trace element in the human body. It is found in large amounts in red blood cells and is an important part of the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, which helps with many activities related to carbon dioxide metabolism. The zinc found in the pancreas may help with insulin storage. Zinc is a component of several enzymes in the gastrointestinal system that break down proteins. Zinc deficiency causes diseases including pecan rosette, tiny leaf, and mottle leaf in nut and fruit plants. Zinc functions in snail blood hemosicotypsin to transport oxygen in a manner similar to iron in human blood hemoglobin. Metallic zinc is created by roasting sulfide ores and then either leaching or smelting the oxidized product in sulfuric acid. Electrolysis is used to extract zinc from leach solutions, or it is condensed from blast furnace gas and distilled to remove contaminants. Zinc metal is primarily used in galvanizing iron and steel against corrosion, and in the manufacture of brasses and alloys for die casting. When exposed to air, zinc creates an impermeable covering of its oxide, making the metal more resistant to typical atmospheres than iron and corroding at a far lower rate. Furthermore, because zinc oxidizes faster than iron, the steel surface is protected, even if some of it is exposed through fissures. Hot-dip galvanizing or electrogalvanizing is used to create the zinc coating. The most popular method for coating steel with zinc is hot-dip galvanizing. This could be a batch procedure called general galvanizing or a continuous coating of steel strip coils. Steel is pickled in acid, treated with fluxing chemicals, and then submerged in a bath of molten zinc at around 450 degrees Celsius, 840 degrees Fahrenheit, in general galvanizing. On the surface, layers of iron-zinc alloy are created, which are capped with an outer layer of zinc. That's the end of the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.